Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect RCG markets to MT5 in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, from Google Play Store or App Store, you need to download the MT5 application. Once you have done that, simply launch MT5 first. On the home page itself, it is going to show you this plus icon or this tab that says Add Trading Account. So after tapping on it, you will be landed here on this page. Over here, you need to search for the broker or the funded account. You can do it with the help of this search bar. So since we want to connect RCG markets, you just have to simply search for it here in the search bar. Now, when you are able to find the server, which is RCG Markets Pty Limited, simply just tap on this. Now it will show you further options like open a demo account or open a real account and log in into your existing account. So I want you to choose the option of login into your existing account. Over here you need to provide your MT5 login credentials. So in order to get these credentials, you need to first of all get access to your RCG markets dashboard. On the dashboard itself, you are going to find your MT5 login credentials. You can also look for those in the settings of your RCG markets account. So when you are able to find those credentials, simply copy the login ID first. After that, you need to paste it over here. Then you need to copy the password. Then tap on the option of password and paste the password here. After entering the login ID and the password, simply tap on the option of login. This way, you will be able to connect your RCG markets account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.